So peaceful. Peaceful gid, peaceful gid. Nami gid tanawon. Wow. Bukas kami naman. Tomorrow we go to the beach. Today we had to do some errands. Got it all done except for one. And what's funny was we were looking for a good pizza place and want to try something else other than the one that we always go to, which we knew was really good at Klondike's. But we went to Vaughn's to buy some milk, and I saw at Yelp the Doughboy Pizza and Trattoria, whatever the hell that is, and it had a 5-star. So we tried it. I went inside first to take a look. Shit, there was only like 6 tables and nobody was eating there. So I said no, we'll go back to where we used to go at Klondike's. But then there was this Mexican restaurant right next to it. It's called Don Guerrero Taqueria, and there were lots of people in there, Mexicans and whites. And Chin said, let's try that. Okay, so we did. And so instead of pizza, we're gonna have Mexican food tonight. Just watching the waves come. Ooh, I'm a lost romantic. Just doing this all day is alright with me. But of course I have to take Rudy so that he can play, and he's tired of the grass area. So, and we've only been to the beach once, so tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach and spend a longer time. Alright, over and out. You can hear the waves in the background. And of course Rudy, he's okay if we don't even go to the beach tomorrow. He's okay with just this sitting around, and he'll be sitting down somewhere doing nothing. I just brought some treats. Okay, bye bye.